Today's gap down was a huge gap down, and a lot of traders were expecting a bounce, and everybody was asking, Rip, should we buy? Should we buy? Is this the bottom? Like I've always said, you don't know when the bottom is, right? You do not want the bottom. Take what market gives. Profit with the bear market. Profit with the shorts. When the time to long comes, we will long. Our game plan was pretty simple. SPY. So China imposed its own tariff, so SPY is gapping down. The plan was to focus on the pre-market lows, like I teach you every time, and the 512 Ripster calls. We only long if 512 holds versus the pre-market low. VIX break of 37 or 35 will give us a long bias. Watch for the amateur move and 10 AM concept. No long under 512s or PM lows. So we had a plan. I shared this plan on Twitter as well today. As soon as the market opened, market was trying to call like this right here. And what do you see? You see market under the 512 clubs. Does not really matter. We have sold off so much. Whatever your thinking is, whatever your bias is, it does not really matter. We have to follow the system. Yes, we were looking at what market wants to do, but I told everybody, be patient. My guidance to the traders was no long signal in the market yet. I know a lot of traders were impatient. They were like, this is the dip. This is not the dip, guys. Follow the system like I teach you. So no long signal on the market. And when I saw it pushing down, that's when I told everybody that we are a SPY QQQ short. And from there on, we dipped as always. We bounced into 10 AM. 10 AM Ripster concept. So this concept I have been teaching many years. You can go to ripstereducation.com, free website. You can study all the previous guidance and the trades showing you why the 10 AM concept is so strong. So then came the 10 AM bounce, and once it rejected, I told the traders bearish trend confirmed at 10 AM. Traders in the community, when I called the 10 AM trend, thanks for calling out the trend today, and we're starting the bearish trend. It really helped. Why? Because it is the concept. The traders can hold their puts, add more puts, and trade that. And from there on, SPY continues to fade. And a lot of our traders were done in first 1 hour with the puts. Because SPY faded from 522s all the way to 510s. That's hundreds of % of gains on the puts, or if you trade leverage ETFs. Repeatable setup every day. All you had to do is wait till 10 AM and take that short. I also tweeted about that. 10 AM trend staying bearish. Cautious being long the stuff. The shorts are A+. So it's that simple, guys. And we were short all day. So what happened all day was this. Curl over the 512 crowds. Test a little bit of 3450 and fade. Curl, fade. So look at this and then look at this. Curl, fade. Curl, fade. So you could short the market all day and make profits. And that's how the traders are doing, guys. To shorting the market with this repeatable concepts, 10 AM concept, morning concept. So there's no reason to be long. We'll see what it does. And other thing to note is VIX. VIX was our plan. Like I had a morning strategy. VIX continued to push over 36, 37, bounced from that 36 level. And when it double topped at the big resistance level, that's when we were getting these fails. And you see that continuously uptrend. So that gives you another conviction that you don't have to be long on anything in the market and stay short.
Come to trade with Ripster. Join the community at www.tenettradegroup.com.